I'm about to shoot a social media ad for a fitness brand, so this morning I'm going to style my hair using this Flashform finishing spray wax by Oribe. It's the brand of the late legendary hairstylist Oribe Canales, and this specific spray wax was featured in GQ multiple times and also part of the fall collection subscription box because it can be used for both styling your hair and also locking the shape in after you're done with it as a spray wax. It's designed to be used on dry hair, so to use it, I'm not even going to bother with wetting and towel drying my hair like I usually do, but I'm just going to start spraying it directly into my roots, styling it, and then spraying it again to lock in the shape when I'm done. So here we go. Just gonna give it a good shake. And here we go. Another great thing about the Oribe brand is that they put a lot of emphasis on the scent of the products. So all of their products smell really nice while also getting the job done. Now to apply some finishing spray. All right, and there we go. Just like that, in a couple of minutes, we are done with styling our hair and we're ready to move on to our photo shoot. So if you're looking to get a high quality hair product that's very easy to use, can be used to style your hair with minimal steps, smells amazing, and was literally designed to be used in the fashion industry for photo shoots and runway, pick up this finishing spray wax by Oribe and you'll be set.